Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and you guessed it, today we're in Bank View. Look at this incredible view behind me. You can see it from about 300 degrees here. This is a 700 square foot private rooftop patio in Bank View. Let me show you the house. Alright guys, you know me, of course I'm going to start this tour up there. That's an incredible view that's really rare and unique to this home in particular. Now, on the main floor here you have a beautiful living room, a lot of windows, some high ceilings. Love this American black walnut hardwood floor. A real nice rustic feel to this home. You notice the concrete, it's a bit of a stamped concrete with an epoxy finish on it. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, some recently upgraded as well. And your main floor washer and dryer, pantry, as well as a half bathroom also on this level. Now, what's really unique about this home in particular is all the really special outdoor spaces. Now, we saw one already. This is the second one, exclusive, private. Now, this lower level, the floors are actually heated, including your garage and driveway. Now, this is a great man cave, currently being used as a fourth bedroom. The sound system in the home, this Bose system, at the time of building was actually used in the space station, which is pretty incredible. Now, this garage, as I mentioned, the floors are all heated in here as well as the driveway, so that makes it quite nice for our winters here. I love this extra built-in storage and a lot of really unique artwork as well. Now upstairs has three really large bedrooms. The first one here, great windows and closet space. This second one here is a little bit larger, the same great sunlight and closets. Now this bathroom was just renovated actually, with the heated floors, a newer shower. And welcome to this beautiful retreat master bedroom. Look at these windows, a huge walk-in closet. Of course you have your spa ensuite, complete with your double vanities, the separate shower, and your soaker tub obviously, and your third private outdoor space, really taking advantage of these beautiful views. But you know me, obviously we're finishing back up here too. There's a hot tub, a beautiful cabana space. This deck was just actually recently finished. It could be extended a little bit further, or this is a great spot for gardening or just lounging like how we've set it up here. Now, if you guys have any questions or are interested in booking a viewing on this beautiful home, very unique and rare, you know where to find me. And again, thanks for watching.